At last they saw Gordon's hill. "Look out for trouble, James," warned his driver. "We'll go fast and get them up before they know it. Don't let them stop you." So James went faster, and soon they were halfway up. I'm doing it, he panted. "Will the top never come?" Then, with a sudden jerk, it all came easier. I've done it, he puffed. "Hooray! It's easy now." But his driver shut off steam. "They've done it again. We've left our tail behind. And look, the last trucks were running backwards down the hill. The coupling had snapped." The guard stopped the trucks and got out to warn approaching engines. "That's why it was easy," said James, as he backed the other trucks carefully down. "What silly things trucks are. There might have been an accident."
"Shall I help you, James?" said Eric as he rolled up behind the brake van.
No thank you," answered James. "I'll pull them myself." "Good. Don't let them beat you." "You're doing well," whistled Edward, as James slowly struggled up the hill.